guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. With Kimmi. I'm Kimmi and I am with Jeffrey.
Hi ho. Hi people. How y'all doing? Morning.
So we are on our way to handle some personal business this morning. Yep. En route though, you know I got my bag in the back, so I only hung without my bag. So we still hit these notary streets hard every day. Yeah, so today just hanging out a little bit, answering some questions. We had a few people join up yesterday for the $27 program. They are so excited. I am excited for them. They will be in our startup plan, and that will get you access to your 5 basic courses and our live workshops. I have one going on tonight. The live workshop tonight is all about customer service because a lot of us still don't know how to do it. Never been really trained how to do it, honestly. You would think customer service is not something we need to talk about, but yep, we're going to talk about it. We talk about everything in the Notary Business Success Program. So, for those of you who do not know, I am Kimmi, and this is Jeffrey. And we own our own notary business here in Georgia, but we also own Notary Educators Training. And that's our nationwide company where we teach notaries nationwide how to have a successful business. And we know that you cannot have a successful business if you don't know your notarial duties. So that's our whole mission, is to make sure you know what to do. And hey, Tori, how are you? Will you be joining us live tonight? How are you this morning? And thank you for your tip in the chat yesterday. I appreciate it. I really love when the members and the family actually communicate. That's what we're there for, to help each other, you know? So I'm trying to make sure I got the right lighting for you. So, yeah, so that's what we do, though. We help you from the beginning. A lot of people want to kind of talk to you once you got everything. They don't want to help you with the beginning part of your business. But that's what we excel at. That's what we're very good at, helping you to learn your notarial duties. What's an acknowledgement? What's the jurat? How to do an oath? Building that business. Help you build that business from the ground up. You know, choosing your name, the Build Your Business course, the EIN number, LLC. Are you hearing something? Okay, because Jeffrey got a thing with noises, so I think he's hearing something.
Uh-oh.
And he's having meltdown. Would you like to tell him about your meltdown?
Not right now. Let me figure it out first.
Well, tell him why you at the light.
Yeah, well, I don't like to hear rattles in the car. I'm always checking to see what it is. I'm always looking and listening for things. So that's my little issue there. Something rattling, I'm checking it out. Something in the house making a noise it didn't make before. What is that? You know, why is it doing it? So
it's like a spidey sense.
Yeah.
Anyway, let me get back to these comments. So Tori says, yes, I will be there tonight. Doing great, and your lighting looks great as you do. As you do, y'all. Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. I had cheese last night, so I got this whole thing going on. Well, actually, for lunch yesterday, I had a taco. Hold on, let me drink some water. So anyway, we're going to talk a little bit about a continuation from yesterday. Hold on, let me clear my throat. If you were with us live yesterday, we talked about pricing, and we also talked about, there were a couple people in the group that said they were work notaries. Okay, so we're going to talk a little bit more about that today. Are you a work notary? Are you a Facebook notary? Can somebody tell me what I mean by work notary that's been watching us for a while? What's a work notary? Can somebody tell me what is a work notary? Oh man, we can never win. It's always traffic. It's the police. Hold on, John. He's letting us go. Oh, it was an accident. You sure look little. Sorry, y'all. Anyway, so what's a work notary? And for those of you, we'll just get into it. And they up here too. They must have something going on, some kind of sting or something. It's like, no, these are car accidents. People just drive entirely too fast. These are car accidents.
I'm going home.
It do make. Let me show you. Hold on, I'm gonna flip the camera. You see that? Oh, the truck got there. Look at that. Just everywhere we go. Oh wait, Jeff, you still rolling?
Oh, mercy, I can do one myself.
Child is like. My car got bumpers on it or something. Okay, let's go.
Oh, mercy.
So, work notary is just that. Have you received your commission and it's at your job? They want you to notarize. Look at this. Just accidents. Just one, two. All right. So, yeah. Are you a work notary, though? Did you receive your commission through your job? They bought it for you. They bought your supplies. They gave you a journal. And they just tell you to stamp this paper. I was a work notary. Several times. Yes, I was a work notary at 2 different banks. They paid for the commission. They told me what to do. I just did it. I didn't even know what it was, why I was doing it. I knew what a notary was because, again, I worked at the bank. But when they wanted me to first do it, I was like, I don't know anything about that. And they didn't care. They just gave me the stuff and started stamping. Quite frankly, most of your states, good morning, everyone. Welcome. Quite frankly, most of your states. Terry C, what's up, girl? What's going on in Michigan? Yeah, most of your states just give you a commission too. They don't teach you what to do. It's a few. And the training that they give you is still very lackluster because you don't know what to do when you get out there. You don't. Do you know what to do? No. Hey, love you too, girl. What's up? What's up? Hey, Ian Grip. Grand rising to you too. Houston, Texas in the house. Yeah, so that's what work notary is. So let's talk about a Facebook notary. Facebook notary. Oh, wow. Are you a Facebook notary? Do you receive assignments and then you get in Facebook and ask them how to complete it? Do you get documents and then you say, how do I fill this out? That's a Facebook notary. And you cannot run a $100,000 company per year on Facebook notary, okay? All right, we're through some trees, y'all. If you know, you know. Anyway, thank you guys. Y'all so sweet. So anyway, let's get back to topic. I forgot where I was now. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, Facebook notary. So yeah, Facebook. Are you a Facebook notary? So again, people in Facebook, and I see it all the time. They're over there learning how to price their services. We talked about that yesterday. Somebody priced a job at $14, and they got in Facebook, and they were like, "Yeah, I might have saw that post, and if it was you, I'm not talking about you." But I see it all the time. Matter of fact, I saw somebody today in our Georgia group I'm in. Hey, GG Solutions, what's up? What's up? Well, we'll see you tonight in mentorship. I saw in a group another group I'm in this morning, and the person was like, yeah, I've been doing free notarizations forever. I just don't know how to make any money. Is there a pricing chart somewhere? Is that you? Are you doing notaries for free? Are you a church notary? Anything but a business owner kind of notary? Right? So we got to learn how to maximize our stamp and turn it into cash. And the way you do that is by having knowledge. You need to know how to properly notarize documents. Even if you're a work notary, you need to know, because if something comes back, and there are not a lot of crooked bankers out there, but there are a few, right? All you gotta do is say Wells Fargo, because they've been in a lot of stuff. It ain't no secret. So you need to know why you're stamping that paper, not just because your manager brought it to you, not because they said do this. You need to know why. Does this make sense? And it's funny because a lot of times after people have taken our training, they're like, oh, Kimmi, I've been doing this wrong a long time. They say I've been doing this wrong a long time, and they have to go back and correct things at work because they haven't been doing it right.